Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is the first video that you're watching, welcome. My content consists of vlogs and challenges and some occasional random things. This video is a little different because today I'm going to be showing you guys how my mom and I have turned her home into an enchanted forest, literally. I didn't record myself setting everything up, so I'm going to show you guys the end result of both the inside and outside of her home. I've been decorating my mom's home for as long as I can remember, and I love it because this is her favorite time of the year. Probably because her birthday is like one day after Christmas. If you guys would like to support me on my YouTube journey, I would really appreciate you if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all enjoy the video just as much as I enjoyed putting it all together. We like to change the color of the Christmas tree every year, and this year we decided to do white and gold. We also found these matching stockings that just went perfect with the Christmas tree. We also had some leftover ornaments, and we decided to put them on top of the kitchen cabinets. As you can see, the Christmas tree sets the tone for the entire house. We went with gold and white curtains, a white centerpiece. We bought some gold and white dining table mats that went perfect with the curtains. And some off-white pillows that just brought the entire room together. This one is an old fake Christmas tree. We used some ornaments from another year that we went with blue and silver for, and the rest of the balls that didn't fit on the tree, we hung them on the roof. These arcs were handmade by us. We got some leftover metal from my stepdad. We wrapped them up with garland, and we just attached a Christmas light to it. So that's my mom's Christmas home makeover all complete. We absolutely outdid ourselves this year, and I'm sure next year's makeover will be even more insane. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts on the transformation or any suggestions you have for the next makeover. All of my social media is on the screen, so if you want to follow me and message me on there, feel free to do so. No, but for real, like the video. Happy holidays!